Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Toyota 86, stock number 6297. It's ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen Kenwood stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,